Welcome to another video on my fischertechnik roller track, controlled by BeagleBoard Classic, which is right over there, connected to rubber interface via USB, and via USB also a network interface right here. So I can use virtual network computing to do things via Linux laptop. Recently I have fixed a lot of things, and most recently the end of this track, which is now functioning kind of nice. But what is not yet kind of nice is this part of the track. It makes the ball which comes from this part well, jump either here or being ejected by this part, and then the ball goes everywhere except here. So I hope to fix it, to find a nice solution for that. But well, as has been proven lately, that can be quite a challenge. Anyway, let's find it. So, if you have watched this series of videos before, then you know that usually the camera is in a different position, being aside, pointed from this direction. Now I've decided to put it like the intro camera, and you can immediately see what the problem is from above. This part. Now a little observation shows that this may be the culprit. So if I put some distance blocks here, then it might take the curve here away. Not quite sure if that is going to be the solution, but let's just see and try. So to do this a little bit the easy way, I lift this track a bit, then I take out the block and I put the part here. Given the distance, then I should take another one. Put it back here, and let's see. Oh, that's quite an improvement. But the question is, how do the balls react? So let me take one of them from here and roll them. Okay, that goes without a problem, but it's not taking this part of the track. So I'm going to start the algorithm, operate all the switches right here, and see how this operates and how this works out. I'm quite curious now. So in order to do that, I just start the algorithm and push this button. In the expectation, and I see something going wrong, of course. I have to stop it because there's nothing happening here, and I wonder why. So all the switches are not being touched. Now they are. Well, at least one of them. So let's try again. Press the button or switch. Okay, Now it is perfectly aligned for the other track, which it does. So no problem there as yet. One goes out of track. That is not what I want. Let's go again. Looks good. Are there any balls? Yes. Right here there are balls. So let's do it the way it should be done. Press the button. Not doing anything yet. Press the button. Yep, I have to hold the button real long. And now the other track is selected. Okay, this is not quite what I expect. Neither is that. That one went well. So does that one. So there's now one ball here that I need to take away. Let's just roll it here. And that looks just fine here. That doesn't look just fine. Oops. Not very good. Not sure why, what it is caused by. Well, there are very sharp curves in it, so of course that may be a problem. And here there are a few balls in transit, but I think this needs some improvement, and I mean this part here needs improvement, because there are balls that are just in this corner without a conveyor belt, and they are not transported without extra balls. But that's a bit of a problem. But apart from that, now it works nicely here. It's functioning, it's operating. Yeah. So changing the focus to this inverted conveyor belt. Well, it's a conveyor belt, but dragging under instead of transporting over. And what I actually did was put an elevation right on this spot. You can see the little corner of it, and to show it I've made a little sketch. So this is the old situation with the conveyor belt. Actually too long, but who cares. And this is the new situation with a bulb here. So the idea is that the ball is transported underneath, and then because this elevation rolls further towards the next conveyor belt. Anyway, let's see how this works out. There's another one here, so I'll transport it and hopefully it gets there. And I didn't test it yet, so I have no idea if it actually works out. That's going to be the next thing. Okay, so this one is rolling under. Okay, it's not as fluent as I would have hoped, but okay, this elevation should be here, I think, because there's a wheel here, and now it is a little bit between the wheel and the elevation. So let's move the elevation a little bit. Okay, as you can see, the elevation is now right here. Oh, that's not what I intended, because now there is one part off. But it did work out, because here the balls are now going towards the new one, the next one I should say. But I have to put this one back right here. But the idea is correct. By elevation they're all further, and that was exactly what I wanted to have. So thing fixed here and a thing kind of fixed here, which is good. So with two things fixed, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. What can I do more? What can I do better? You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. You can show your support by making a donation via PayPal or IBAN, or become a patron. This might be going to be continued. More testing with this one. I'm not overly satisfied with it. And then, well, we'll see next. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.